Kasi yata. Na.
Dito, Lods. Nope. Nope.
Oh, that's why. Hey, Mama.
My chest. 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 Server queue.
pa daw part 2 eh. Na ano eh. Nasa party ako kanina eh, pero hindi gumana yung mic ko kaya rin-start ko. Ngayon nasa queue na naman. Nasa queue na naman ako ng 20 minutes. Na ano eh. Nasa party ako kanina eh, pero hindi gumana yung mic ko kaya rin-start ko. Ngayon nasa queue na naman.
Thank you.
Naman ako ng
Maria
20
Efrain.
minutes. Na ano eh. Nasa party ako kanina eh, pero hindi gumana yung mic ko kaya rin.
A wild. It's like the in between of a slushy, but then not as far as a.
It's not as hard and as far, yeah, and compact as a snow cone.
As a snow cone. Okay.
Let's just say it's like where it depending on the icy and depending on the machine and where it's at within the machine, it could get stuck in the straw.
Man,
You know,
you've got me wanting to do like a classic style gaming session right now. I want to go to the corner store. I want to get a slushie. I want to get a big bag of ketchup chips. Maybe a Snickers, and I want to play all night.
right now, what is the ultimate candy? Or chocolate, I guess you should say.
We're talking chocolate. We're not talking candy. We're talking chocolate.
It's the same thing. It's the same thing.
All right. Beg to differ, but all right, we'll go.
Okay. So tell me where all the chocolate bars are. What aisle
So
are they in?
Listen. We're in the okay. And when I'm talking chocolate, I'm talking about a nice Reese's Pieces. I'm talking about a nice Snickers.
But it doesn't work that way, Z. I mean, because they're both in the same aisle, the candy aisle.
Yeah, you're right. All right, okay, I'll take this battle. I'll take this L. What? Okay, so what's your favorite? So I guess we're talking about everything. If we're talking about everything in that category, then I'm gonna definitely be going to something chocolatey because I like candy, candy, little candies. But you know, I could live without them. I could.
I could too, to be honest.
Man, best chocolate bar. Man, I'm a big Snickers fan, but I mean Reese's are
Reese's
just,
that is something ridiculous.
It's on a whole nother level.
I feel like it is too. Like you know, growing up, I loved my king size Kit Kat bars.
Oh, there you go.
You know, man, Snickers bar, yeah, like, especially one that has just the right amount of where it's not too hard.
Yep. Yep.
But Reese's
is something else. You know, we got them in packs of 3s up here and not just in 2s. wanting to go get a slushie and like corner store style snacks. You know what I mean? Just the classic snack vibe. Not an actual meal, just a snack. But yeah, it's wow. That sounds pretty delicious right now. Slushy. I want a marshmallow Reese's Pieces. That needs to exist after this conversation. What's the favorite chip, Doc? What are we talking about when we're talking about chips? Are you a salty guy? I'm way more of a chip guy than a candy guy, to be honest.
What's my all-time favorite? Probably cheddar and sour cream Ruffles.
Ooh, so we're talking about Ruffles. You guys have Ruffles?
We have Ruffles.
You guys just don't have. You guys just don't have. You guys just don't have all dressed Ruffles, do you?
What's that?
You don't have all dressed. The flavor all dressed.
I've never seen that.
Oh, Doc, that's because we only have it in Canada. Same with ketchup chips. Those are the two. Those are the two Canadian classics: all dressed and ketchup chips. Man, woo! And people always are like, "Ew, ketchup! Like ketchup chips." Well, you think about it, it's not actual like ketchup in a bag. It's like the flavoring. You know what I mean? It's the flavoring.
Yeah.
And man, it's something else.
Tomato, pasty, sugary. I don't know.
It's good, man. It's good stuff. It's good stuff. I think you guys might have all dressed, but only in like some places. Because I got some people saying that it is there, but I don't know if you have it everywhere.
Man, I can go for some. I can go for a big bag of cheddar and sour cream Ruffles. You guys have that there?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we do. Yeah. All right, so like, what's going on here? We're playing the same mode over again? I don't think so.
I'm back out new playlists. People are telling me, yeah, right.
Okay, maybe we have to restart. I'm too scared to restart my game because I feel like I'm going to be putting in another
Updating playlist. Here it is.
How? How did you do that?
It just popped up. I went all the way to the menu. I see it. The destruction of Verdansk. Rebirth Resurgent Quads is back in.
Oh yeah, I see Rebirth Resurgent Quads, Rebirth Mini Royale Duos, and Rebirth Kingslayer, but I only see the destruction of Verdansk 1.
So far, this is a pretty flawless event, I'm gonna have to say. Like the momentum and everything.
Oh, it's flowing real nice. I mean, with the initial crashes and me not even being able to get in for the first half an hour, along with millions of others waiting at home. People are saying, here are the new playlists. Oh, Aftermath, Rebirth Island. Oh, it's a new Rebirth. Okay, so I was right. Oh, no. All right, let's go. Let's go into Rebirth. We're going to go into Rebirth. Apparently, it's Rebirth. That is it's the nuclear fallout. As the nuclear fallout engulfs Verdansk, get a glimpse of what happens next. Drop into Rebirth Island and battle all night in limited time version of Resurgence. It literally just looks like a dark version of the map, like a nighttime Resurgence.
The destruction of Verdansk Part 1 has been extended for another hour.
What?
Dive into Warzone now. It says Call of Duty 20 seconds ago.
Why?
Delayed.
15 minutes after the destruction of Verdansk. Here we go.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Rebirth Island. Play.
15 minutes after the destruction of Verdansk. Here we go.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Rebirth Island playlist. Oh, it takes place 15 minutes after the event. Oh, look at this. Okay, yeah. It literally just looks...
Oh, man. The aim is kind of dialed in for the...
Hey, so have you been on the controller all day, or did you just do it for the sniper thing?
I wasn't doing the controller.
Okay.
I know you.
You had me, man. I almost want to make a sniper class for this.
See, this is the problem with this old engine in comparison to Unreal. Is that Unreal is just the tools. You're able to do things and have it so streamlined.
Like their
build
engine.
huge of it. Like their engine, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, that's why Fortnite can get away with all that stuff.
Dude, they had the best live events at any. Well, I mean, they were one of the first games to ever really start doing these live events, and they do a phenomenal job with those. I don't know where I'm going here. I'm kind of just.
Me neither.
Playing on the roof right here.
I'm gonna land right here.
Oh, I got a satchel. Oh, it's over.
Oh, what's this? Still, they still got Easter stuff up.
Yeah, I cut the Easter. I got a little Easter bunny.
You.
Getting a little dub in this, man.
Yeah.
Couple guys down here. Ooh, these are free. Right here. Oh my God, this gun sucks. No.
We're on a street, keep junk. I found him.
Cody Chambers, thank you for becoming a member. Much
That's it?
appreciated. That is it. Let me see here though. Hold on. Let me put on a sniper class here. I want a really quick scopy sniper that I can quick scope people with here.
What's the difference between Rebirth Resurgence quads and Rebirth Mini Royale duos?
I don't know. Which one do you want to play?
Well, we just played that one. Let's try Mini Royale duo. See if there's a different prompt. If we see if we get the same prompt. I don't know.
Yeah, let's do it. James taking the 50 stars, man. Curtis taking the 50 as well. Brad with the 3 months. Dylan with the 6,000 star donation. Love the stream, Z. Can we get a Dylan spamming up in the chat? I fucking love you, Dylan. Thank you for the gosh check and support. First time star send as well. Sheesh. Jeez. Thank you so much, man. 15 minutes after the destruction of Vernask. I mean, why are all the lights out? Hey, Doc, I feel like if we get to the end of this, maybe there's a little something.
You think so?
I hope so. I mean, what reason would they have to take us here? You know what I mean? They're not just gonna take us here and put 15 minutes after the thing, and then there not be, you know, some content.
True.
I feel like.
Enough practice. Time for the real thing. Hostile dropping into the area. What?
John Real, thank you for the share, baby. Much appreciated, man. Let's try to get a dub here, man. Let's get a big dub. Look for clues on the island, people are telling me. Apparently there's a new area. It's called the Control Center. It was never in Resurgence, and now it's a new place on the map. So it's right here. We can go take a look. That's a new area.
New area. Here we go.
New area. Let's go.
This has always been here.
No, people are saying it's new.
Huh.
Like this building might have been here, but people are saying. Hold
Nice
on,
audio on this guy. Oh, there we go. Oh, good night. Good night.
Easy.
No ghoulie for them.
Nuh-uh.
The hell is this thing?
Actually, those guys were teammates. Or not
Right here?
teammates. There we go. Got a little team wipe
Ooh.
on this guy.
I'm sniping this guy in his face, if you don't mind.
Oh, I. Please do. Look at this guy.
Oh, shit. Got me.
Hold on. He's on you, you said?
Yeah,
Right
right
here on the
here.
left. Knock.
Another one.
I'm looking. I'm looking. One
Just
shot.
survive, he
Completely
says.
one shot. Yeah, he's not gonna
You ain't
survive.
surviving.
Oh, dog shit. Excuse me.
Yep.
Let's be heading
You
here.
getting this
real
bounty?
quick. Yep.
We're in the safe zone.
I'm hearing someone on me.
Bounty target has been marked. Kill
I'm
'em.
looking.
I think they're above me or possibly below me. Yeah, this is a whole new building. This was never here. And oh man, I think it's already given us vibes. I know what's coming, Doc. Oh no.
Oh, yeah.
I shouldn't say
see
it.
what you're
I
saying.
shouldn't say
Yeah.
it.
I see it.
Oh no. Oh no.
What's that? What's that?
Oh no. I'm thinking, I'm not gonna say it. I'm not gonna say it.
No, you gotta say it now.
I'm thinking reskin. I'm thinking map reskin. Look at this, man. It's a cube. It's like they're gonna go to. They're gonna go to this style of Verdansk. It's gonna be like a Mother Russia Verdansk or something like that. I don't know.
Team on you? Underneath?
There were already
underneath.
some like images floating around. That's the only reason why I have that suspicion. Oh my God! RPG. What the fuck? This guy was just camping at the door with an RPG. How did he not blow himself up?
What do we got? 2 seconds? How much time?
You're in the gulag.
I'm in the gulag.
Fight to earn redeployment.
Oh.
Wait, there's a. Wow, this is a cool new gulag.
Ready to fight. You're next.
Oh, this is what the mini royale is different. This is a little bit
Listen
different.
up, soldier. Win here and you return to the front line.
Oh, look at this layout.
Oh, I like this.
You're up, soldier.
Oh, baby. Okay.
Give 'em a proper sword.
Okay.
Stand by for redeployment.
Wait, now I really like that.
Warzone event delayed. Oh.
What else is new?
Soldier incoming.
Hey, now I really like that.
Enemy team is tracking your position.
That's not in his.
Your teammate got a proper sorting. We're sending them home.
Wait, so this rebirth
All up to you now. Go for
is
the win.
playing like an actual battle royale and not like the resurgence mode.
Gas is inbound.
That's kind of cool. Is this the new map, Doc? We found the new map.
This is it.
This is it.
Aid station here.
I can't get a kill this game, Z.
Hey. Chin up.
Appreciate it. Coming to you.
Delayed, bossing. Loads. Nakapasok ka na ba? Sa, ano? Lobby?
Hey, Doc, you speak fluently in Russian. What does this say right here?
Relocating.
I don't know what this... We need to figure out what this... this is a new... This is some new writing on the wall, on these things here.
Moving.
There's a guy in here and I don't like him.
I'm moving. Gas is
Disregard
inbound.
that.
Marking new safe zone.
Yeah, this guy's a loser right here, man.
The last one of
Ay, bumalik ulit sa ano dati.
enemy dropping into the AR. Safe. Lost the enemy track.
Nood muna, nood muna.
Gas is inbound.
No, man.
1 of 10 remain.
Oh, we were frying.
Lost that one, but we'll come back stronger next time.
All right. All right. We're going to win one of these here, chat. We're going to get one of these, and we're going to see if there's an end game. There's got to be some kind of end game, something that happens.
That is a back. At close and mid range, and you know, the PC player will get him a little bit more at snipe. I think we can get, you know, if a controller player brings out their sniper and I'm with my sniper, I'm probably winning that fight the majority of the time. Oh, sorry, Z.
Oh, buddy, it's fine. Wait. Wait. So I think we're done. I think this is it. I don't know if there's going to be more content here, man.
Get yourself sorted. We'll be deployed shortly.
I don't know. Gary, thank you to 1,200 stars, man. Much appreciated. Robert, think of the 50 as well.
15
Liam with the
minutes
50.
after ano.
Jamie with 100.
Ito yun eh. Ito
Brad
yung
with the 3 months of being a
sinasabi,
supporter.
15 minutes after the
Tommy with the 5 gifted. Thank you so very much, man.
may part 2 mga 1
I got an update here, Doc.
1 hour pa siguro.
But you got an update?
I got a little update. No, not like an update like that. So here's a new tweet. Call of Duty just tweeted out 3 minutes ago. Verdansk has fallen. Updated protocol. So 2 p.m. Your time. Seek safety from Verdansk on the Rebirth Island. So that's what we're doing right now. And the next update, the next thing that's about to happen, doesn't happen until 9 p.m. your time. It says update your comms, and then quotation says console. And investigate Rebirth Island at 9 p.m. And then 12 your time. Return tomorrow to Rebirth for updated instructions. So we might, dude. Someone said this might be like Fortnite, where they gave us the black hole and we couldn't play for a week. I really hope that's not what they're doing here. I really hope that we're gonna not have to be able to play for a full day.
Yellow?
I wonder who.
Anong yellow lodge?
Sure, I'll snipe one of these helicopters for you. Boom, there's one.
Ah, yun.
Friendly loadout drop on the way. Victory rests on your shoulders. Finish the mission.
What am I playing right now?
Oh man. Oh man. Yeah, I don't want to spoil anything for anyone, but there were some leaked images like I don't know, maybe like a couple weeks back that I did see. Obviously all this stuff is like speculation, but because of that little room that we went down into, I almost think, yeah.
Where is this leaked stuff? Let me.
Well,
let me watch it.
It wasn't like a video or anything. It was a picture of Verdansk.
Okay.
With
Yeah.
with like Mother Russia style, like it looked like it had a skin of Russia, like the Spetsnaz style stuff all over like the downtown area. So in the building down here, it's almost making me think that that's actually legit. I thought that was like a full on troll, but it might not be. Like all this stuff right here, like.
Is there a leak?
Palaroin nito ah.
I don't see it. Hold on. I can maybe try to take a look. It was on.
Shake 'em up, Z.
I think it was Modern Warzone. The handle. I think they tweeted some photos of it.
Modern Warfare, what? News
No,
or
modern.
something?
It's Modern Warzone. Just at Modern Warzone. I think they were the ones that tweeted it out. If I recall correctly. Like this stuff right here, this symbol right there, that's what was over, or this whole thing was over just everything. And like this whole facility.
Just closing in.
Yeah, coming.
Enemy UAV overhead.
No way! Another guy, man. I got Ghoulie.
Win here and you return to the
There you go.
front line. You lose, your fight is over. You're up, soldier. Now go sort this fucker out. You're going back to the front line. You've earned it. Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe zone. An enemy team is hunting you. Stay alert. Enemy dropping into the AO.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm getting looked at by it.
Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe zone. Only 4 enemies remain. You know what to do. You're safe. You lost the enemy.
Man, this
safe.
is a lot of fun with the sniper. Let me get you in here, Doc. Are you ready? Woo!
Gas is closing in.
Couple guys in my building. I think they ran away. I heard glass. Oh, this is the last team. Inside? I see him inside.
Kill me. Throwing stun grenade.
No scoped him. Hey, let's go, baby.
That easy, Ozzy.
Hey, it's that easy. All right, come on now. Secret special ending. Come on.
Here it is.
Here it is. Here's the secret special ending. Here it is.
It is. Boom, 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 boom. In memoriam. I never get that word right.
Come on, secret. Here we go. We're going to fly off now to the new map. Here it comes.
Z-Laner. Doctor.
And come on. Okay. Wow. Michael, thank you for the 310. Chris, thank you for the 50 stars. Patrick with the 50. What a nasty little game right there, man. I'm loving that. The Kar 98 on Rebirth is just something
So that's the
else.
ending.
Yeah, I guess so. Oh my. Oh my. It looks like that's it, man. I don't know though.
That was what? Rebirth Mini Royales duo?
That was
There's no way that was quad.
the duo. Yeah, that was the duo, which has like the ghoulie and all that stuff. It feels more like, yeah. But the Rebirth Resurgence quads, that's where you can spawn back in multiple times.
If you survive the time.
If
limit,
if your teammate survives, yes.
Well, let's get a quick win then.
Dog, that clip of you spinning in circles and killing like 100 zombies. Oh man, that is hilarious. Oh my god. Man, I really wish this was just one big exciting event that took place all at the same time, then we jump right into a new map. I feel like that would have been
Man, such a blown opportunity.
I feel like that would have been such I'm not man, yeah, that's just my opinion. I don't work at Raven Software. I'm not a game designer, but I feel like it would have been better. I don't know. shit, dude.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Cody, you get the 235. Devin, you get the 50 as well. Alex, you get the 50 as well. Glenn with 100.
Grab some target practice while you can. We're deploying soon. Enemy dropping into the AO. Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Playtime's over, mate. You're going to the war zone. Battle Royale. Does anyone need this? Set a drop point for your team, soldier. Enemy soldier incoming. Positive ID on the bounty target. Sort them out. Eliminate all targets in the AO. Enemies in the area! Setting decoy. Bounty target down. Welcome to the Gulag. If you survive, you earn your freedom. Lights ready. Practice your aim while you wait. Taunting your enemy is an effective way to get inside their heads. So is a well-placed stone. Your teammates done in. They're returning to base. It's all up to you now. Go for the win. Lights ready. Get yourself sorted. You're up next. Listen up, soldier. Win here and you return to the front line. But if you lose, you're done. You're up, soldier. Now go, soldier. Looking a little worse for wear. You're heading back to base. Fought hard out there. Need warm-up. We'll be deployed soon. Warm-up's done. Time to kick this on. Battle Royale. Be advised, gas is closing in. Proceed to the safe zone. Moving. Lifting waypoint. Targets are up. Get to work. Head for target location. Enemy soldier incoming. Enemy UAV overhead. Jungle. Enemy soldier incoming. Overhead. Head for target location. Target down. Small kill. Ground. Stepping waypoint. Enemy dropping into the AO. Don't worry, you'll live. Enemy UAV overhead. Friendly loadout drop on the way. Moving.
Dropping.
Contact! Enemy UAV overhead. Loadout drop heading your way. Taking fire! Nice done. Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone. overhead. 25 are still active in the AO. Open here! Jungle. Enemy UAV overhead. Damn it, they have picked this place clean. Gas mask here. Taking fire! Head for target location. Armor located. Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe zone. Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Fire station down. Buy station costs are adjusted. Setting waypoint.
What's up, YouTube? The highly anticipated, much wanted, patiently waited for smartphone video shootout has arrived. The Google Pixel 5 against the OnePlus 8.
Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Warm-up's done. Time to kick this off. Battle Royale. You've got gas closing in fast. Get to the safe zone. Eliminate all targets in the AO. Bounty target has been marked. Kill 'em. Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy soldier incoming. Enemy. We're out of time. Scrub the contract. We've got gas moving in. Allied cluster strike inbound. Enemy soldier incoming.
We're in safe zone. Watch for enemy.
put the landmine. Oh, right there, second floor. Chest. Nice. Ooh.
This event been a little bit whatever, a little bit outlandish. But if it also doesn't, like, let's say it was all really, really, really confusing, but then we had this insanely incredible final product of a new map. I feel like it could almost be forgiven, but I'm almost, man, if they don't deliver with this map, I feel like people are just gonna be a little bit like all that for nothing. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Feel like that might happen. Sadly.
Nice, nice.
It's unfortunate. Let me move this.
Mic test. Check, mic check, mic check, mic check. God damn it.
Chat. Man, I wish we could be bringing you some new gameplay today on the new map. A sim, thank you for another 1,000, my man. Let me just see something here, chat. I'm just trying to get this up real quick.
Hold on. Alec, that had to have been like